Have you ever wondered how to achieve a flawless complexion when doing your makeup? I'm ELIXIR and I'm going to be showing you how I achieve the perfect complexion. As always, first things first, I'm going to be priming my skin because I want the perfect foundation or the base underneath my makeup. So I'm going to be using the Becca Ever Matte Pore Perfecting Primer. This is hands down one of the best primers I've ever used. It's going to really get rid of the shine. So I like to apply it to my forehead, my nose, and my cheeks because that's where I get oiliest the most. Before I move on to concealer and foundation, I want to give myself a little bit of a rose gold glow. So I'm going to be using the Versali Rose Gold Elixir. To conceal, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer in Deep Neutral. And I just apply this in any place where there is shadows, so under the eyes where I want it to be a little bit more even, or if I have any hyperpigmentation. Then I'm going to blend it all out with a blending sponge. Moving on to one of my top foundations right now, the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. And I wear Cappuccino number 27. I love this foundation because I can build it up very quickly to full coverage, and it also has pineapple and papaya enzymes, which helps with the appearance and texture of the skin over time. A flawless complexion is not only in the makeup application skills, but also in the ingredients and the products that you're using and how you take care of your skin overall. To brighten and highlight certain areas on my face, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer in Dark Golden. When you're highlighting your face, you want to make sure that you are highlighting in places where light naturally hits the face. So for me, that's along my cheekbones, along the bridge of my nose, in the center of my forehead, and my chin. Now I want to make sure I set all of my concealer and foundation work, so I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Setting Powder. To apply the powder, I'm going to be using my MAC 140S face powder brush. To really bring on the glow, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in 100. This highlighter is really buildable, but I find that 1 to 2 sweeps is perfect for a natural looking glow. To add warmth to my face, I'm going to be using the NARS Contour Blush in Gianna. NARS has quite a few contour blush duos, but this one I found is perfect for deeper skin tones. Before setting the entire look with setting spray, I like to do my eyebrows, and then I use my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All J setting spray, and the green one is green tea scented, so it smells really calming and soothing. And then I just spritz it all over my face about 8 inches away. My complexion is complete and I'm ready to move on to eyes and lips. If you're a makeup beginner, I hope you found some new tips on how to achieve a flawless complexion. Stay tuned to Ogle School's YouTube channel and blog for more beginner tutorials. Don't forget to glow, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye!